Alright guys, I'm in the Gulf of Thailand right now, look at this. Look at that beautiful view right there. So last night I just went and talked with my friends, right? We had these conversations and I just realized the most important thing that I kind of like realized as a designer is that as a designer, right, you have to be flexible. You have to be flexible towards like your brief, your client, you know, sometimes you may feel like, oh, you are an artist, you are entitled to your style, you have to do a specific styles. As a designer, you have to be flexible. You have to be flexible to your styles. Do not attach yourself to a style specifically, because I mean, certainly having a style is quite important, but like when it comes to design work, when it comes to commissions, do not attach yourself to the styles that you are always looking for. Perhaps it can be art directions that you wanted to pursue, or perhaps if the client offers something else, and you know, just explore more, and then try many things, try many styles. This is the most important thing that I learned from design school, and you know, from the professional in Korea that they taught me. Then honestly, back then I had this sort of idea that I'm like an artist. I feel entitled to the styles, and I'm not gonna do any commissions that regarding other styles, like for example cartoony or anything. So I lost a lot of opportunity, and honestly, it's just you can do a lot of things you never really could imagine you can do. So try it. It's the belief that you have in your mind right now that it's kind of like stopping you from the things that you really wanted to do. If you like can fix your belief that you can do actually anything, like literally anything is possible in that case. I feel like this is a powerful mindset to go towards as a designer. So yeah, maybe try it, see it, explore it more. I feel like we are just at the beginning of our creative journeys. Alright, at the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.